The Challenger explosion on January 28, 1986, remains one of the most tragic events in space exploration history. Just 73 seconds into its flight, the Space Shuttle Challenger disintegrated, killing all 7 crew members, including the first civilian astronaut, schoolteacher Christa McAuliffe. Millions watched in horror as the disaster unfolded live on television, etching the devastating images into the collective memory of a generation. This catastrophic failure not only underscored the inherent risks of space travel but also served as a sobering reminder of the potential consequences of technological failures in pursuit of human advancement.